Last night I took the time to research something which I stated in the Predicated Intrinsically Rhythmic Universe 4 yesterday. To my surprise, there was something, although not entirely the same, extremely similar. So here is both my comment on it and my effort to not only distance myself from the hypotheses, but add to my own in accordance with where I was heading originally. The only difference is now, with further education, I feel it necessary to establish my entire views, not based upon what I read, but quite the opposite. The problems that physicists have been having with recording gamma ray bursts and photons, or pulse waves as I referred to them in my prior post, is they're waiting with a satellite or satellites to record them. They need to have those satellites send out a pulse and ascribe a rhythmic value to the gamma rays after retrieving the gamma rays and photons, after retrieving the pulse, such as was done with sonar in the ocean on a much smaller scale. Any anomalies or preclusions by gamma rays or photons that fall outside of these well-founded, accepted, given set of values system need discounted as such with regards to what I stated in an earlier chapter. Only then will general relativity and quantum mechanics be unified according to our understanding. Excuse me, I have to take a drink of water, people. Sometimes it's not enough to simply gather information. One needs to be able to analyze it properly. Very low-level pulses generated given unto a precise distance of travel should, upon retrieval, help one gather information that they can more effectively utilize. I know I reiterated some things I stated in my prior post, the last one. My thoughts are not nonlinear, they're very linear. I just wanted everyone to be certain about that. Now to elaborate. The reason I believe that photons and gamma rays have been moving at much different speeds during the same period, or so it would seem, is the universe, or universes perhaps, are changing far more rapidly than assumed, and as such, although it doesn't seem so, they at times are coming from different places over a very vast amount of space and time. The universe is growing not because it lies dormant, but is ever changing. And as such, say for example, within every 150 million light years, the volatile universe the volatile universe could have, say, 5 supernovas, and due to their different speeds according to the distance and speed of the gamma burst and photons, low level and high level, and subsequently different distances and speeds of seemingly similar photons and gamma rays, in speeds, I made it sound like one sentence, there's a comma there. Distances and speeds of seemingly similar photons and gamma rays would reach the satellite simultaneously. Does that make sense? Okay. And by the way, this is Ron Blanchard. If the professor is listening, who I sent this to, whose name I'm not going to mention as not to embarrass him, if he was kind of taken aback by the fact that I've been posting these after I promised it to him, which I admittedly did, he's welcome to the astrophysics or whatever it is. I just want to see it proven. I would like to see my nephew take a little bit of credit, but it doesn't really matter. The point is, this needs to be proven, and it should not be called quantum gravity. I want it to be called rhythmic value, because that's what it's based on. Thank you.